If you are writing physics, if you're a science student writing physics in this JAMB exam, give me your ears. Pay strict attention to this video because I'm going to open your eyes. I'm going to show you 15 topics that always come out after analyzing several JAMB years, several JAMB questions, several year upon year. Looking at JAMB questions, JAMB past questions, I was able to come up with 15 topics that always come out. 15 topics that you should look out for in the coming JAMB exam. So I don't want you to joke with these topics. Remember, I've been talking about in our channel that all of you should become serious. Become serious with this exam. JAMB is not like WAEC or NECO. This is a different ball game. This is the exam that will determine if you will enter school this year or you will spend extra 1 year at home. So let us be extremely serious. At the end of this video, if you watch till the end, I will give you a gift. Watching to the end shows me that you are serious with this exam. I'll give you a gift of free JAMB syllabus end of this video. Okay, the first topic we must look at is dimension and unit analysis. Dimensions and unit analysis. So you have to understand how to analyze dimensions and units in correctly applying formulas. Remember, any of these topics I call, don't just rush and read the theory. As a physics student, chemistry student, biology student, mathematics student, of course you know there is calculation aspect. There is calculation aspect. That is what makes science a bit different from art. Then the second topic is scalar and vector quantities. Scalar and vector quantities. Scalar and vector. This is a popular topic. This is one of the first topics that always come out, right? Understand to resolve work with triangular and parallelogram vectors and break down vectors with different parts. Okay. The third area to must focus on is work, energy, and power. Work, energy, and power. Work, energy, and power. Right? Including the relationship between them, relationship between work and energy, including the relationship between energy and power and all the rest. So just sit yourself down and read up these things. Okay. The next is elasticity. Elasticity. Under it, you look at things like your elastic constant, work, Young modulus, tensile stress, tensile strain, right? Original length, final length, force changes in length. So just get your physics textbook and dig in. Any chapter, any one I call, locate it in the chapter and find out the whole, just study all the calculations and subtopics under it, right? Then we look at machines. Machines will come out. I know what I'm telling you. We've done the analysis and I know exactly what I'm saying. So sit down and read up these topics. Machines. So efficiency of machine, mechanical advantage and velocity ratio of different types of machine, including levers, pulleys, and inclined planes, right? Okay, another area, another topic that must hit you is temperature and measurement. Temperature and what? Measurement. At the end of this video, you will qualify to get JAMB past question free of charge in the 4 subjects you'll be writing, JAMB syllabus free of charge in the 4 subjects you will be writing. Recall also that in our channel, I've done a lot of videos on Lekki Headmaster. I've done a lot of videos on use of English. I've done past questions, expo questions. So if you want me to give you all the access, free access to all the videos I've done on Lekki Headmaster, tell me so I can give them to you. If you want me to give you free access to all the videos I've done on use of English, also the videos we've done on biology, chemistry, mathematics, economics, use of English and all the rest. We have done quite a lot, both syllabus, past question and answer, expected questions, the materials you should, just everything. We are serious because the goal of this channel is for you to score 300 and above. 300 and above. If you claim it, type I claim it. 300 and above, no stories. 6th topic is temperature and measurement. Temperature and measurement, things like Celsius to Kelvin, that is conversion between Celsius to Kelvin, and Kelvin to Celsius, right? Then heat energy. This is always coming at things like transport mode, like conduction, convection, and radiation, right? Heat equilibrium and all the rest. Okay, very important. Heat transfer, very, very crucial. Let's look at electricity. Is another topic that you must encounter. Electricity. So you're going to encounter elasticity and electricity. Okay, Ohm's law, power calculations, and all the rest. Okay, gas laws. You already know gas laws will come out. Things like Boyle's law, Charles' law. These are the general gas equation. These are things you must be sure, both in your dream. If they wake you up and ask you this thing, you should tell them that these ones are things you are sure will come out. Okay, then another area to focus on is forces. Say it. Forces is another topic that you should look out for, because they will come out. Okay, the next one is motion. Okay, you should look at motion because they will also come out. These are things that you must encounter in this coming JAMB exam. Then study waves like mechanical waves, electromagnetic waves, longitudinal and transverse waves, and their properties: sound wave, speed, frequency, and wavelength of sound. Light will also show up. Light must also come out. Light, underline, focus on lens and mirror formulas, reflection and refraction, and the behavior of various lens types, right? I hope you are following. Light dispersion and the formula of shadow. These are very, very, very important subtopics. Then, of course, capacitors. As a physics student, capacitors is sure something that will come out, right? Capacitors in series, parallel capacitors, how to calculate capacitance, how to calculate charge, voltage, and energy stored in a capacitor. Focus on this thing. Don't give excuse. This is your future. That is why I keep dropping videos for you every day. Day in, day out, I've been dropping videos for you. So don't take these videos I'm dropping for granted. Focus on them, dig into them, use them to better your future. And I want you to be among those that will come back to me with testimony. I want you to be among those that will tell me, oh, I've gotten admission. Oh, I scored 300 and above. When others are crying, when those that are partying and playing around now are crying, some people go to lesson centers while I wait their time. You should not be one of them. You are different. You are here in Noble Tutorials YouTube channel, so you are different. You are practically different. 15 is fields and modern physics. Fields and modern physics, right? So just go to your JAMB. Under it, study gravitational field, magnetic field, field lines, strength, and potential. Under modern physics, cover concepts such as radioactivity and nuclear physics. Understand the properties of alpha, beta, and gamma particles, as well as the process of radioactive decay. The things I'm telling you is I'm giving you pure expo. Now, to receive free JAMB past question, free JAMB syllabus from me, what you need to do, 4 things. Number 1, join our YouTube channel. You can see the black link up there. Click on it, join our YouTube channel. Then like this video. When you like this video, share this video. Very, very important. Click on share, copy the link, share it on YouTube, share it on all the WhatsApp groups you belong to, share it on Facebook, share it on Twitter, Snapchat, all these platforms. Then most importantly, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. When you subscribe, when you smash the subscribe button, come under this video and type, I have subscribed. I have subscribed. I have subscribed. Once I see you type, I have subscribed, I will chat you up and send you all the necessary materials you need. Remember to promise to make me proud. Promise to make me proud at the end of. Do you promise me you will make me proud at the end of this exam? There's a video I'm leaving for you on the screen. Click on it and watch now.